So now that you kind of know some definitions of what can be considered acid and what can be considered a base, this is just what we call a pH scale. So pH, which we'll go into more in our next class, it's just these numbers from basically 1 to 14. So what that means, if you look, acidic is anything less than the number 7. We consider 7 to be neutral. And then basic is anything over 7. I also wrote here alkaline. Sometimes you'll see basic, sometimes you'll see alkaline. Either way, it's the same thing. So why do we care about these numbers? We know that a strong acid, you would expect it to be far on the acidic side. So your stronger acids are going to be way down here in like the 1s and 2s, where your strong bases are going to be far onto that basic side. So like 13 or 14 on that pH scale. So notice we have some examples down at the bottom. These are things that you'll encounter pretty often, if not every day. So your gastric juices, the juices in your stomach that help break down the food, are very, very acidic. Tomato juice is also acidic. Your urine is slightly acidic as well. And then human blood is just a little bit basic. It's not super basic. And then hand soap is basic, as well as household bleach, which is a lot more basic. So these are just some common examples that you'll hear about. Really, you encounter acids and bases every single day just by going about your life. But we'll go through in our next class, how do we come up with these numbers? How do we come up with these pH values? And what can they do for us?